Hi, Strauss, welcome to Mckenna's video. We have a giant surprise boiled egg today. And we're gonna open a lot of toys. And there's a lot of cool toys in this egg. So let's open it. Let's give it a shake. There's a lot of cool stuff. Let's crack it. Crack. Wow, all these toys. We have a surprise egg. And whatever this is. So wow, let's see. Blind bag. This is actually, these things are kind of blind baggy. They're called blind bags. Like that. I hope I get a silver. I hope I get a silver Waluigi character. And I did! It's a silver one. These are kind of like beads. And in the last video I got the princess, but this is the princess, but it's a silver princess. My other one wasn't a silver princess. Sometimes you have to get duplicate kits. Here's my special crown. What I wear on this crown is mine from a little bit break. So there's the machines. I opened it. These are here. Oh man! I got the duplicate kit. I got a duplicate kit. This is so funny because I got a duplicate apple bloom. I got 2 apple bloom and they're the same. And this one doesn't have wings. The other one doesn't have wings. They're the same match. And here's her. These are super gushy and super stretchy. Here's a blind bag, and it's Pulse Pets blind bag. Drawn missiles. I don't know what kind of princess is for her. You have to tell me in comment and let me know what kind of princess comes with this kind of pet. We have Lily's Pet Shop blind bag, and these are actually keychains. Oh, it's cute, Cookie. Oh, Cookie, you're so cute. Get Cookie. So, do you know all about these things? It has a little clip. You can hang it on your backpack or your lunch bag. You can hang it over your wand. Has a hook, then you can sit. Clip on something. Cookie is so cute. There's a key in my pocket. Use Rajan. Use it. This is not a dog, it's a cat. There's a puppy in my pocket. I wonder who I get. And the bottom of those towels don't even come with the checklist. But puppy in my pocket comes with a checklist. And put a checklist right there. And now it's who I got. Oh, it's so cute. It's a little puppy inside the teacup. It's so cute. And then these are so soft and warm. Shopkins. I don't know what's this called. It is Shopkins, but I don't know what's it called. Oh, it's a little earring twins. You can see they have little points on the back because they're earrings. They're little earring twins. That's because they have 2. But these are very much on the back. That's cool. And they're actually attached. Meow. Her name is Washy Wasterner. I'm checking what her name is. Earring Twins. I was right. They're Earring Twins. That was their name. There's a little special one bag. I hope I don't get a pizza kip. No. This can't be this. This is not a bee. This is not a bee pizza kip. Oh, Beats! I got this pizza kip. Oh, I got a pizza kip. Apple bloom and pizza kip. With Pishop. This is so sunny. Today it's so sunny because everyone is thus joking with me. What is it? Sophia serves blind bag. It seems like Sophia, but it seems like Amber. I hope I don't get a good tip. No, don't be a good tip. No! I made a good tip. No! This is a shotgun blind bag. Blind basket. Blind basket. Here's a little basket. The basket is purple and sparkly. Here are blind bags. I hope I get one of the Jules ones. I hope I don't get a good tip. No, don't be a good tip. But then, please don't be a good tip. Yes! Not a good tip. This was right. I was right. It wasn't a good tip. Yay! Please, Jesus, don't make it a good tip. Not a good tip. It doesn't want to come out. Come on, Shotgun, come out of that bag. Because we want to see which one you got. It's a white hat. She's on a hat section. Here's Wendy machine. She's a machine from a machine section. Wendy. I think that's an Anna because the difference is the crown, but the eyes are different. But sorry because Mommy's camera died. But I have more toys to open. Shotgun's blind basket. I'm opening muscles to open it. Big muscles over there. Oh no, swine. Swine. Okay, this is it. Brushing. She is a dress. From a dress section. She's a very dress. That's not Duke Kip to us. So that's good. Yes! Not Duke Kip. This is not Duke Kip. But all these have holes in the bottom. But not all of them do, but some of them do. Because this one has a hole in the bottom. So to put your pencil in. Here's the Zoom blind bag. Not to get the kip, yay! Not to get the kip. This is gonna be a hard part. Painted with a hardest part. No, I don't need to open these anymore. I got the character. This is I know his name. This is a little bit tricky to build. Guess I need to put my pieces like that. This is not good to keep serious. That's yay! So friends, this is all we have today, friends. And this video, this is our video where we did your egg. Bye!